In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back Elementor version. If a recent update introduced a bug or changed behavior you weren't expecting, rolling back lets you return to a previously stable release of the Elementor plugin without touching your site's content or designs. You'll do this entirely from your WordPress dashboard, and the process is quick and reversible. First, open your WordPress dashboard and look to the left-hand menu. Find Elementor, then choose Tools. This is the centralized area Elementor provides for housekeeping tasks, and it's where you'll find controls for maintenance, debugging, and most importantly for us, version management. Moving through this screen ensures you're using Elementor's built-in rollback mechanism rather than manually replacing files, which reduces risk and keeps settings intact. Inside Tools, click the Version Control tab. This tab is dedicated to the plugin's release management. You'll see information about the version you're currently running and controls that let you switch to a different release. Think of this as Elementor's safety net. It allows you to step back to a known good version if something in the latest update doesn't play nicely with your theme, other plugins, or your workflow. Next, open the drop-down that lists available versions and select the previous version you want to use. Pick the most recent version that you know worked well on your site. If you use Elementor Pro, it's helpful to choose a version that aligns closely with your Pro version to avoid compatibility mismatches. The drop-down only shows safe, available releases approved for rollback, which is why this method is more reliable than hunting down files elsewhere. Once you've chosen the version, click Reinstall Version. Elementor will download and replace the current plugin files with the version you selected. You may see a brief progress message while it completes. When it finishes, Elementor is rolled back, but your pages, templates, and settings remain exactly as they were. This action targets plugin code only. It doesn't delete your work. After the reinstall completes, return to your site and open a page with the editor to confirm everything behaves as expected. If you later decide to move forward again, you can repeat these same steps and select the latest version from the drop-down to reinstall it. Keep in mind that automatic updates, if enabled, may eventually move you forward again, so be aware of your update settings while you test. That's it. You've safely rolled back Elementor using the built-in tools, keeping your workflow stable while you troubleshoot or wait for a fix.